Hey, what's up friends? Isa namang napakagandang araw. Well, we hope that you're having a good day katulad ng ngiti neto ni ate. And yes, we are still here in Kahana Moku Inn and it's our second day. So tara, mag-tour tayo dito, ikutin natin ang mga pwedeng puntahan, subukan din natin mag-surf, tikman na masarap na ng pagkain, of course, tapusin natin ang gabi nito na may konting shots. Let's go! So good morning sa inyo mga friends. So eto, selfie muna tayo. And yes, tingnan natin ang view natin dito sa umagang kay ganda. So after ng malakas na ulan kagabi, ito na siya ngayon. The place is very clean, peaceful, and of course maganda ang view, nakaka-relax. Eh syempre, hindi lang tayo magre-relax dito sa balcony, no? Mag-iikot-ikot tayo niyan. So kaya nga 5:30 in the morning, gigisingin natin si baby para kami ay makalabas at makapag-walking. Balita ko kasi malapit lang dito ang fishport ng Baler. Good morning. Yeah! Good morning. Yeah, good morning. So ito nga friends, ang view natin sa labas. And maganda ang klima ngayon. And ang goal natin ngayon ay makapaglakad-lakad at makapag-exercise before tayo mag-breakfast, syempre. And yes, dire-diretso lang naman ang lakad dito mga friends para mapuntahan natin ang fishport. And fast forward nga, eto na siya, ang Baler Municipal Fishport. So akala ko nga merong mga isda at merong mga nagbebenta dito pero at the moment wala po dahil kagabi ay talagang malakas ang bagyo. So, pero pwede pa rin natin to puntahan. Ayan, tingnan natin ang kanyang view. At makikita niya rin dito ang lawak ng dagat. Ayan. So, dyan ang daming mangroves, no? So, sa kabilang baybay niya, nandun yung tinatawag nilang Cobra Reef. So, sa day 3 natin, sa last day natin, pupuntahan natin yan. At ito na nga ang dulo ng fishport, mga friends. Kitang-kita niyo ang lawak ng dagat at ang ganda ng kalikasan talaga. Pero syempre, bawal tumalon dyan. Sobrang lalim yan. And we're back here in Kahana Moku and we're about to have our breakfast. And pakita ko na din sa inyo guys ang lugar for yoga session. If you're going to book, you can also inquire kung merong yoga session during your stay.
May discount na yung PWD.
Nabinyagan ko tong tong lugar. Ito, may breakfast na rin kami. Anong breakfast natin for today's video ay sausage and egg fried rice. Hey Lloyd,
Sakit ba? Ganun din.
same din.
Sakit ba?
Hindi kami nasasaktan, manhid kami. Ano kayo? So what's up friends? Good morning sa inyo. It's our second day here in Baler. And we're staying here in Kahana Moku. Ayan guys. So, this is what we have for breakfast. And we ordered sausage, egg, and rice. Plus, we have brewed coffee here. Ternong-terno sa cold weather ngayon. Medyo maulan. Si Sam. Lloyd is there. And a big shout out pala sa owner na itong resort. So kay Sir Jasal. And for having us here and giving us a free upgrade. Wow! Because of Lloyd's Key. Lloyd's Key is there. Ang yente naman. Oats and nuts. Be fiber, no?
Sa top list na yun. Wala si Gagays.
Eh si Gagays nasa taas yan.
Ilalamog mo.
11 or 12?
Anong lasa ba?
Ha?
Anong lasa? Anong lasa?
Ang lasa.
Baka mag-surf lang tayo ng
Sabi ko, 7.22. Sabi niya, hindi, anong lasa na? Sabi niya, kasi diba, galit ka naman siya. Kanina, buti sinama niya ako sa pere. Sa korte. Kasi sabi, nagbababoy na sa akin. Sabi sa hindi, ay sa muna ako. Hindi mo na ako niyaya.
So aside from our free breakfast, we also tried other menus na meron sila. And yes, they both taste delicious, guys. And saktong-sakto lang ang pagkakaluto sa kanya. And bago nga pala kami umalis, nag-hi muna tayo dito kina ate sa mga staff ng Kahanamoku. And yes, they're very friendly and approachable. So tara, gala na tayo. Puntahan natin tong Legisit Island. Let's go!
Aww. Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind.
Alright friends, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Legisit area sa may Baler. Ayan, eto siya. Dami mga rocks.
Wow.
Okay oh.
Is I know I'm coming back.
Dito, dami mga pato din. Mapebble siya.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Wow!
Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh. I have seen many places where the beauty never ends.
Wow!
Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear.
So guys, ano masasabi niyo sa mga bato-bato dito?
Madulas.
Ganda ng formation, bro.
Panalo, no?
Halo.
Madulas siya, pero alam niyo na, ang ganda for picture
Ayan si
taking.
kuya, oh. Nakita mo ba yun? Madulas yun.
Ayan, si
Madulas
kuya,
yan si kuya. Madulas yan.
Only in Baler. Ayan, so pupunta tayo sa susunod na destination natin, sa Cobra Reef. Let's go! Okay, so bago tayo magpunta sa falls, tingnan muna natin to view dito sa deck.
Of all
Ang
the
ganda,
magic
oh.
places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many
Your
times.
route may be affected by general flood advisory, severe.
No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh.
Ganda, laki ng bato. Grabe ang wave, oh. Mga ganun. Grabe, super ganda talaga ng view, yung tunog ng dagat, talagang feeling relaxed and amazed tong view na to. So before nga tayo magsabang beach, nag-stop by muna tayo sa Fishport para mapakita natin yung kay Lloyd and Sam, and we took some photos. And we are back here in Sabang Beach. And yes guys, totoo, umuulan siya. But of course, di tayo mapipigilan ng ulan, mag-enjoy at gawin yung ating agenda for today, which is makapag-swimming at of course makapag-try ng surfing. So guys, samahan niyo muna kami dito sa dagat. Let's go! Grabe! Saka ng alon. Kaya...
You got something I can never be without. coming. Thought I was a man of my own, but it's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. Breathe in my head, 'cause you know I cannot see no.
Alright, nakaligo tayo. Hindi ganun kalakas ang ulan, pero mataas ang alon. Mamaya, texting kami surfing. Go!
What do I whipping me into madness? But I can never stay away from.
And yes, after 2 many attempts, nakachamba din ang kuya mo. At pagtas nga natin magpagod, tayo naman ay magpapakabusog dito sa may Yellowfin. And yes, this is a must try dahil hindi nyo rin ito malalagpasan pag nasasabang kayo. At after nga makapagpahinga, dito na tayo sa Kahana Mocha Inn. Let's jam and bond with Sir Jasal. And in fairness, masarap at may kick ang kanyang gin tonic. And yan, cheers tayo guys. Wow! And cheers to Papi Lloyd. And here's baby. And yes, it was a successful day. We're happy that we're able to meet new friends and be able to bond with them. And friends, I hope nag-enjoy din kayo sa ating simpleng biyahe. And yes, let's remain humble, joyful, and above all, let's do what makes us happy. Thanks again mga friends, and we'll see you on our day 3. Let's go!